How to set up and install your Google Nest Cam with Floodlight. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. Add your Nest Cam with Floodlight to the Google Home app. When prompted, you'll scan the QR code found on the front of your camera. Go to your home's breaker box and turn off the switch that controls the power to the light. Now follow the steps in the app to remove the old floodlight. Connect the grounding wire, included in the box, to the mounting plate's green ground screw. Then, use one of the wire nuts provided to connect the other end of the wire to the existing ground wire from your junction box. Pull the wires through the mounting plate. Use the arrows on the mounting plate to line it up to the top of the junction box. When aligned correctly, you will see the screw holes. If you don't, rotate the plate 45 degrees to the next arrow. Loosely attach the plate to the junction box with the screws provided. Adjust the plate until it's level. Now tighten the screws. Make sure the arrow and the G on the mounting plate cover are upright. Press the cover over the mounting plate until you hear it click. Then use the mounting plate screws provided to secure it in place. Use the S-hook provided to keep your floodlight in place while you connect the wires. Now, use the remaining wire nuts to connect the floodlight. Remove the S-hook and push the wires through the center of the hole of the mounting plate. Now, position the floodlight over the mounting plate cover. Turn it counterclockwise to align the clips on the back of the floodlight with the grooves on the cover. Then press the floodlight onto the cover and twist clockwise until you hear it click in place. Mount the camera on the floodlight's magnetic plate. Then connect the power cable. Make sure the magnetic connector is fully inserted and pointing in the right direction. You'll feel it snap into place. Turn the power back on. Position the lights and camera to illuminate the area you'd like to view. Then tighten the knobs at the base of each light when they are aimed where you want.